Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb yusalli to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'ilun mudari, present tense. Fi'ilun mudari, present continuous tense. Fi'ilun mudari. This is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, going to school, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called fi'ilun mudari. The question is, how do we change the verb yusalli to suit the pronouns below? Yusalli simply means he is observing salah. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb yusalli to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb yusalli to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb yusalli will now become usalli, which means I am observing salah. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb yusalli to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb yusalli will now become nusalli, which means we are observing salah. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb yusalli to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yusalli will now become tusalli, which means you are observing salah. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb yusalli to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb yusalli will now become tusallina, which means you are observing salah. You can only use this to talk to a single female person directly. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb yusalli to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yusalli will now become tusalli, which means she is observing salah. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something is happening. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing is happening. For instance, number one, Wahid, number one. Yusalli, he is observing salah. Ma yusalli, he is not observing salah. Ithnan, number two. Tusalli, she is observing salah. Ma tusalli, she is not observing salah. Thalatha, number three. Usalli, I am observing salah. Ma usalli, I am not observing salah. Arba, number four. Nusalli, we are observing salat. Ma nusalli, we are not observing salah. Hamsa, number five. Tusalli, you are observing salah, talking to a single male person directly. Ma nusalli, ma tusalli, you are not observing salah. Sita, number six. Tusallina, you are observing salah, talking to a single female person. Ma tusallina, you are not observing salah. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, noun the usage. واحد number one. أين يصلي خالد؟ أين يصلي خالد? Where does Khalid observe Salat? أين يصلي خالد? Where does Khalid observe Salah? Now the answer. يصلي خالد في المسجد. يصلي خالد في المسجد. يصلي خالد. Khalid observes Salah fil masjid in the mosque. Remember that fi is an agent of kasra. Its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of any Arabic word appearing after it with kasra, as we have it in fil masjidi, dalun with kasra. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. اثنان number two. أين تصلي زينب? أين تصلي زينب? Where does Zainab observe Salah? Now the answer. تصلي زينب في البيت. تصلي زينب في البيت. Zainab observes Salat at home. تصلي زينب في البيت. Zainab observes Salat at home. ثلاثة number three. متى تصلي يا أخي؟ متى تصلي يا أخي؟ متى تصلي? When do you observe Salat? يا أخي, my brother. متى تصلي? When will you observe Salat? يا أخي, my brother. Now the answer. سأصلي بعد قليل. سأصلي بعد قليل. سأصلي بعد قليل. I will observe Salat shortly. سأصلي, I will observe Salah. بعد قليل, shortly. Remember that the sinun at the beginning of the verb سأصلي indicate a future tense. So it indicates an action that will take place in the time to come, but not now. For instance, سأذهب, I will go. سأكتب, I will write. سأشرب, I will drink. سأكل, I will eat. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. أربعة number four. متى تصلين يا زينب؟ متى تصلين يا زينب؟ متى تصلين? When will you observe Salat? يا زينب, زينب. Now the answer. سأصلي بعد الطبخ. سأصلي بعد الطبخ. سأصلي, I will observe Salah. بعد الطبخ, after cooking. سأصلي, I will observe Salat. بعد الطبخ, after cooking. خمسة number five. متى تصليان؟ متى تصليان? When will you both observe Salah? Talking to Hashim and Khalid. You can also use the same form of the verb to talk to Ruqayya and Khadija. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the answer to the question. سنصلي قبل النوم. سنصلي قبل النوم. سنصلي, we will observe Salah. قبل النوم, before sleep. سنصلي, we will observe Salah. قبل النوم, before sleep. Remember that al-istiqaz min al-nawm means waking up from sleep. I repeat, al-istiqaz min al-nawm means waking up from sleep. سنصلي, we will observe Salah. قبل النوم, before sleep. ستة number six. هل تصلون في الجامعة يا إخوة؟ هل تصلون في الجامعة يا إخوة؟ هل تصلون في الجامعة? Do you all observe Salah at the university? يا إخوة, brothers. هل تصلون في الجامعة? Do you all observe Salah at the university? يا إخوة, brothers. Now the answer to the question. نعم, yes. نصلي في الجامعة. نصلي في الجامعة. We observe Salah at the university. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبعة number seven. هل تصلين في الجامع يا أخوات؟ هل تصلين في الجامع يا أخوات؟ هل تصلين في الجامع? Do you all observe Salat at the central mosque? يا أخوات, sisters, talking to a group of female persons. هل تصلين في الجامع? Do you all observe Salat at the central mosque? Remember that Jami'un means central mosque, while Jami'ah means university, the one that has a round ta at the end, known as At-Ta'ul Marbuta. At-Ta'ul Marbuta, round ta. So it means university. While Al-Jami means central mosque. Al-Masjidul Jami. Al-Masjidul Jami, central mosque. So هل تصلين في الجامع? So do you all observe Salat at the central mosque? Ya akhawat, sisters, Now the answer, لا, no. نصلي في المنزل. نصلي في المنزل. We observe salat at home. So al-manzil also means home. So al-bayt, home. في البيت at home. في المنزل at home. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 8 number 8. متى تريد أن تصلي يا أخي؟ متى تريد أن تصلي يا أخي؟ متى تريد أن تصلي? When do you want to observe Salah? Ya ahi, my brother. Remember that an is an agent of Fataha. I repeat, an is an agent of Fataha. Its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of any fi'ilun mudari, any present tense in Arabic appearing after it with Fataha, as we have it in an tusalliya. An tusalliya. Just like saying, Uridu an adhhaba, I want to go. Uridu an aktuba, I want to write. Uridu an ashraba, I want to drink. Uridu an akra al-Quran, I want to read Quran. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Mata turidu an tusalliya. When do you want to observe Salah? Ya ahi, my brother. Now the answer. Uridu an usalliya al-an. Uridu an usalliya al-an. So أريد أن أصلي الآن. I want to observe Salat now. أريد أن أصلي الآن. I want to observe Salat now. تسعة number 9. أين تريدين أن تصلي يا أختي؟ أين تريدين أن تصلي يا أختي؟ أين تريدين أن تصلي? So where do you want to observe Salah? يا أختي, my sister. Now the answer to the question. أريد أن أصلي في المسجد. أريد أن أصلي في المسجد. I want to observe Salat in the mosque. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the comparison between madin, past tense, and mudari'un, present tense. Wahid number 1. Huwa, he. Salla, he has observed Salat. Or he observed Salah. Yusalli, he is observing Salah. Or he observes Salah. Ithnan number 2. Here, she. Salat, she has observed Salah. Or she observed Salah. Tusalli, she is observing Salah. Or she observes Salah. Thalatha number 3. Ana, I. Sallaytu, I have observed Salah. Or I observed Salah. Usalli, I am observing Salah. Or I observe Salah. Arba'a number 4. Nahnu, we. Sallayna, Sallayna, we have observed Salah. Or we observed Salah. Nusalli, we are observing Salah. Or we observe Salah. Hamsa number 5. Anta, you, representing a single male person. Sallayta, you have observed Salah. Or you observed Salah. Tusalli, you are observing Salah. Or you observe Salah. Sitta number 6. Anti, you, representing a single female person. Sallayti, you have observed Salah. Or you observed Salah. Tusallina, you are observing Salah. Or you observe Salah. Sab'a number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Sallaytum, you have all observed Salah. Or you all observed Salah. Tusalluna, you are all observing Salah. Or you all observe Salah. Thamania number 8. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Sallaytunna, you have all observed Salah. Or you all observed Salah. Tusallina, the same form is applicable to both a single female person as well as a group of female persons. Tusallina, you are all observing Salah. Or you all observe Salah. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.